Hi, my name is Ip Chua Fei, and I will be presenting my individual project for computer programming. I'm from Section 8, and my lecturer is Dr. Nur Fazila binti Talib. First of all, I will briefly explain what is computer programming. Computer programming is a software used in computer to do the coding, and it is very useful to solve the problem. And in this project, we are required to use the computer programming to solve the problem related to mechanics of machine. The problem statement given is a gift box which is 200 Newton of weight, and the inclined plane is 10 degrees to the horizontal, and the coefficient of friction between the gift box and the plane is 0.25. The length of the plane is 50 meters. So in this project, we are required to find the force P to pull up the gift box up the plane and the work done. The equation involved are mentioned in the equation below. So the objective I mentioned earlier is to develop a C program to solve the problem which related to mechanics of machine. And we are used to calculate the force P required to pull the gift box up along the inclined plane and the work done by the gift box along the inclined plane. Okay, so this is my program. In the program, I have mentioned about two functions, which is I written it down by float star f1. Float star f1 represent the function 1, and float star f2 is represented by the function 2. And for the main function, we are required to calculate the force P and the work done. So I put these two functions on the upper of my program, and then this is the function 1. So in this function, I have 3 loops. The first loop is to print the value of weight, and the second one is to print the value of theta, and the third one is to print the value of normal force. And for this loop, the increment is until 5, so it starts from 0 until 5. So I have 5 calculations, and this one is the function 2, and for function 2 I have only one loop, which is print the value of frictional force. So altogether I have 4 loops, and the main function is 2 loops, which is require force and work done. So after I do the programming, so this one is my result. It start from the weight of the box is 200 at initial state, and then the increment is increased by 100 Newton, and the angle of increment is also increased by 10. So in the programming, I also mentioned the increment is start from, I have written it down in the equation. So the increment of the weight is 100 Newton, and the theta is increased by 10 degree. So this is my result. Yeah. Okay. So after I using this programming software, I can claim that programming software is very useful, as we no longer use many of calculation to calculate the program. It's very fast and easy. So this is my presentation. Thank you.